So do you think?
How about it there, YouTube land? We're going to try this out one time for you. Got my tire machine, a 60-gallon air compressor, and I'm going to show you how to dismount a simple tire off the rim. First off, we're going to come over here, pinch into these tire weights. Sometimes these things can be a little stubborn, and just kind of go from there. Make sure you get it off the front and the back side. In this case, there's actually two in here. After we get our weights off, we come up here and get our valve stem removal apparatus. Take off the stem cover. What you'll do, simply stick that down in there. Take this completely out from inside your valve stem. What this is a simple little core that sits down inside here that holds the air in for you. Put this out of the way, make sure you don't lose it, and always remember where it's at. Right now we've got enough pressure in the tank. Sometimes this thing kicks off and on. I've got it off for the time being, so that way you can actually hear me talk. Once all the air is removed from your tire, simply take it over on the braking bar, braking arm system. You're going to come over, push your foot pedal forward. One side, then come back, make sure you get the other one as well. You want it to fit in between the tire and the rim itself. Once you do the front side, turn it around, come over, do the back. One side of it, come back and do the other. Get that out of the way. Set it up on the spinning mechanism. It all does everything by itself. You're going to lock it in. Should lock in by itself. Set your arm to where it can lock it in. Go. Have a little bit of a problem there. Get that locked in place. You come around here, get the braking bead. Sometimes you have to push it down to get the opposite side of the tire to lock down. When you get that flipped over your arm there, whoops, wrong one. I'm still kind of new to this, so you gotta bear with me a little bit. We're having a little technical difficulty here with this thing. It's not wanting to cooperate with us. Make sure we get them locked in. It's kind of good to get to see some of the problems that may happen with these machines. That's quite okay. Going to be a pain in the butt. Lock them back in place. Since we got the top, go ahead and we do the bottom. The low rim keeps wanting to pop out. A lot of times these machines have a certain size rim that they like to deal with. You have to be really careful sometimes because these things will pop out on you and then liable to come back and pop you in the head. all the technical difficulties, I'm running out of air. Apologize for taking too much of your time, but at least you get to see exactly some of the problems that can go wrong. Like I said, if these things ever pop out with a lot of pressure on there, it will come back, throw this tool up, catch you in the head, it can kill you. So you have to be very careful. There you have it. Simple tire removal, and you get to see the problems that can come happen. Take care, YouTube. See you next time.